Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to zoom text in Canva. To begin, select your text box. Look for the percentage drop-down in the toolbar above your design. Click it and choose a preset zoom level or type in a custom percentage for precise control. You can also use the plus and minus buttons next to the drop-down for quick adjustments. This makes resizing text simple and straightforward. For more advanced control, select your text box and drag any of the white circular handles at its corners to scale the text visually. Alternatively, use the percentage input in the toolbar to set an exact size, like 150%. To resize multiple text elements together, select them all and then drag a corner handle. This ensures all selected text scales proportionally. When zooming text, always prioritize readability. After resizing, check that your text is still clear and easy to read, especially if it's very small or very large. Adjust the line height and letter spacing in the toolbar to improve visual flow and prevent text from looking cramped or too spread out. Choosing a versatile font also helps maintain legibility across different zoom levels. Always preview your designs at various zoom levels to ensure readability across different devices. Consistency in text sizing throughout your project creates a professional and polished look. Remember to group related text elements before resizing them together for a cohesive appearance. And for a truly effortless clean, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and self-emptying convenience, perfect for pet owners. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.